12-inch rain shower head with handheld spray, anti-leak dual square waterfall shower heads with adjustable 13.5 extension arm, bathroom high-pressure handheld shower head with hose and holder. Rain shower head combo dual shower head set includes 12 large square shower head rain, 13.5 shower head extender arm, 4.5 handheld shower head, 5 feet stainless steel shower hose, adhesive shower head holder, 3-way water diverter, water flow regulator, MIN Max, Teflon tape, backup filters washers, manual instruction. 12 extra large square rain shower heads KES bath shower faucet set tub and shower faucet set rain shower head with handheld shower system pressure balance brushed brass, XB6305BZ. CUPC certified pressure balance cartridge. The advanced pressure balance ceramic disc cartridge with CUPC certification can prevent scald injury caused by sudden changes in hot or cold water pressure. If inlet water temperature changes seasonally, please following included instructions to readjust the temperature limit stop. The recommended water temperature for the bath or shower is between 90 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Waterfall tub spout. This tub shower faucet set features a widespread waterfall tub faucet with rain shower head with handheld, Lanhado 8 high-pressure rainfall shower head with 11 extension arm, 9 settings handheld shower heads with holder and hose, anti-leak waterfall shower head, chrome. Combined with ultra-thin and air injection technology. Lanhado rainfall shower head will optimize for any water pressure, produce high-pressure effect, allowing you can enjoy a massage shower. 11.75 inches adjustable extension arm can be adjust angle and height in 180 degrees, which allows you to adjust the angle you need. Tips: please make sure to tighten the switch after adjustment. Full covered and adjust angle and easy to clean 8